Coupé, a deeper dive into its meaning. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore an interesting term you might have come across in English. Coupé. What does it mean and how is it used? Let's find out. Coupé is a term that has been borrowed from the French language. In French, it means cut or chopped off. But how did this word make its way into the English language, and what does it signify? In the context of automobiles, a coupé, often spelled without the accent in English as coupe, refers to a closed two-door car body style with a permanently attached fixed roof. While the term primarily pertains to vehicles, it's essential to know how to use it correctly in a sentence. 1. I just bought a new coupé, and it's a smooth ride. 2. She prefers driving a coupé over a sedan because of its sporty look. 3. Most sports cars are designed in a coupé style. People often confuse coupé with other words, mainly because of its unique spelling and pronunciation. Coup. This word means a sudden, violent, and illegal seizure of power from a government. It doesn't have any connection with cars. Coupe, in terms of serving dishes, refers to a type of shallow dish or bowl. Again, unrelated to the car context. So there you have it. Now you're more familiar with the term coupé and its significance in the English language. We hope this video shed light on its meaning and usage. Happy learning, and until next time, keep exploring the beauty of language.